Good evening, guys. How are we all doing? I thought we could spend the evening together tonight. It's currently Tuesday. Why did I suddenly think it was Wednesday for a second there? I feel like all of the days are just getting like jumbled up in my head. I'm having a really like quiet, cozy evening this evening, and I wanted to do like a little bit of a pamper routine, do some skincare. I actually really want to go to the gym tonight as well, which, right, is this just me? But there's something about going to the gym on my own that really makes me nervous, and I don't know why, because I get that it's like everyone goes to the gym, everyone's minding their business, everyone's just like there to do whatever they want to do, but I've never been to my current gym by myself, and that is something that I've like, I'm setting it in my head as like a task for the evening, because I go away in 2 days. Not me just like hiding from people that walk past the window. I need to start these vlogs upstairs, I swear to God. But yeah, I go away in like 2 days, and I'm like, right, it's like the final push. I want to get some workouts in, and I'm just going to push myself and do it, because I put off doing it all the time. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I go to a Pure gym, they're always so busy. Or I say they're always so busy, like I was just speaking to Millie about this. I feel like some are more quiet, but my Pure gym is always packed. Like if I go on the app to see how many people are in the gym, it's always like minimum 60 people at like the time I want to go, which feels like a lot. And yeah, I feel like I need to just get past this like mental block that I've got in my head about going to the gym, because you know what, I'm sure I'll go tonight and it's absolutely fine. Like what is the worst that's gonna happen? Like I don't even know why I stress about it. So I'm gonna make some dinner soon, we're gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna do some skincare, I want to like shave tonight and just like prep. Also, what is this? I feel like my hair's at a really like awkward length at the minute, where it's like a little bit too long for a claw clip. Like I have to wrap it around so many times, and I still get all these like little scraggly bits that just have to make their way out. Also, if anyone's seen Sunday's video, which was like my prepping for Coachella vlog, I don't know what happened with the comments on that video, but so many of them, I feel like either got deleted or they just got hidden somehow, and I literally don't understand how that's happened. That's never happened on a video before, and I've been trying to sort it with my manager. We've like contacted YouTube, we've like tried to reach out to like figure out, is that better? I feel like that's better. We've tried to like figure out what's going on with the comments, and we've got no answer. So yeah, anyone that commented on Sunday's video, I'm really sorry if your comment just like disappeared. I have no idea why that's happened. I did reach out to 3 people for like a little makeup giveaway bundle, but I've still got quite a few more products, so I'm hoping on this video the comments will work better this time. But I'm gonna do like the same situation, so if anyone wants to win like a little makeup bundle, I'll show you. I give up at this point. Yeah, just like little jiffy bags that have some products in. Just leave a comment on this video with your Instagram, leave a like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and yeah, hopefully it will work this time, and I will message like 4 or 5 of you guys at some point, and then probably ship them out when I get home. Anyway, I've got like hair all over the place. I swear I molt like a dog. Like my hair is always just everywhere, it drives me crazy. But I'm gonna quickly make some dinner. I'm actually gonna do a HelloFresh meal tonight, because I got a new delivery the other day and I've been dying to make this one. This is the sweet potato and refried bean burrito bowl. Just looks like so. They've actually given me a really big discount code this time, which is something that I really love, the fact that they always give me a code to give to you guys. So yeah, definitely make use of it, definitely order some recipes. You guys know HelloFresh is like my go-to for meals at the minute. It's just so much easier, and I love the fact that everything comes really fresh. There's always so many options in terms of meals. I eat vegetarian for the most part as well, and the veggie options are always really great, and I feel like it just saves on like waste and money as well, because everything comes in its like portion, like pre-portioned size, and everything's delicious. Like the recipes are so yummy, the food is really good, like the vegetables and everything that they send over for stuff is so fresh. Yeah, everything's just so yummy, and I don't know, I feel like it's something fun to do as well with like family, because you can get orders for up to 4 people. Obviously really great if you're a single household like me as well, because it just kind of like cuts down on your waste, and it also gives like inspiration for recipes, because I feel like I eat the same stuff all the time when like I'm cooking and I'm not using HelloFresh. Right, well, not me trying to make this look really cute. I put the sour cream in like a squeezy bottle and tried to do like, I don't know, just make it look pretty, and it wasn't happening. Yeah, this is the meal all done. It literally took probably less than 20 minutes to make. Like, it was super quick and easy. I'm gonna try and get like a bite of everything. Oh my god, this kind of meal as well. Let me like put the bowl down. I don't know why I'm holding it up. It's like my favorite thing to eat before a workout, because I feel like it's got good carbs, there's protein in there. Black beans are a really great source of protein. Just like, it's just a sort of thing that gives you like a lot of energy. So yeah, I'm hoping this will see me through the gym this evening. I've just got ready for the gym. I've literally just put like a sweater on, and then I've got like a green set on from Gymshark. I don't know why this feels like such a big deal, but it feels like such a big deal, the fact that I'm like going on my own, because I just never pushed myself to do that. I'm not gonna film this workout, but I am going to the gym again tomorrow evening with my boyfriend, so I'm gonna film that session instead, just so you guys can see the kind of stuff that I do. Because yeah, I feel like I've been getting so many like fitness related questions at the minute, and as much as I would love to film this session, I feel like that is just going to be too ambitious, because my gym, as I said, is so busy. So yeah, I'm not going to film this session. I'll film tomorrow's. Today I'm doing upper body, I'm doing a push day, and then tomorrow I'm going to do legs and glutes, which I feel like is more of like a fun session to film anyway. Okay, so we're gonna have to ignore the fact that this literally looks like it's been filmed on a Nokia. Like, I don't know why the quality is so bad, but I thought I'd show you some of my favorite things to do on a legs and glutes day. So hip thrust is 100% one of my favorite things to do for my glutes. I actually did them today on a Smith machine just because there wasn't a normal like bar free, but they work just as well. So I did 3 sets of those for 10 to 12 reps. I also did some RDLs, which is what you can see here. I feel like watching these back, I can kind of pick up on stuff that I'm not doing quite right either in terms of like my form and stuff. Like my knees kept falling in there, which is definitely something that I want to work on. But again, I did 3 sets of those as well. And then Bulgarian split squats, oh my gosh, like if you want to start like growing a bum and stuff, I feel like this is one exercise that I notice so much difference with. So I did these a little bit as like a drop set. I started with 1 dumbbell, and then once I'd done 10 reps, I did 10 more with just like my body weight, and I did these ones a little bit quicker as well, so it was more like almost like a pulse movement, like a little bit slower than a pulse, but just to kind of like burn my legs and bum out basically. So yeah, this is what I did. I also did leg press at one point as well, but I didn't manage to get any clips of that. I feel like it's really hard to film in a public gym sometimes. But yeah, as I was saying, I feel like I've been getting a lot of questions recently about like my fitness routine and stuff. So if you guys want me to do a full like dedicated video to it, then I definitely can. But this was today's session. It was actually a really fun session. I really enjoyed it. So hopefully this helps. And yeah, that is what I did at the gym. Guys, I did it. Oh my god, I don't know why that feels like such an achievement. I'm gonna quickly make a protein shake as well. My arms hurt like holding this camera up, and I feel like that's how you know you've had a good workout. So yeah, I feel like so proud of myself right now for the fact that I actually just went and got on with it, and it wasn't even bad. Like, what was I even stressed about? Do you know what I mean? I'm sure some people can relate though, in the sense that it's like scary sometimes going to a gym, especially a busy gym by yourself. And I don't know, maybe as a girl, like using the weight section that is like more so guys, just feels intimidating for some reason. If anyone's watching this and you've been scared to go to the gym, this is your message and your sign to do it. Let's ignore how disgusting my hair and stuff looks. I'm gonna get a shower soon. But yeah, I'm gonna make a quick protein shake. I'm just gonna have my protein clear whey in peach iced tea. Just had a shower and washed my hair. I'm just like, I think I'm just gonna let it dry naturally. I never actually dry my hair a lot of the time. I feel like I prefer to just like let it dry on its own, just so I'm not using too much heat on it. I also still get really kind of like bad frizz. Do you know what? I am actually tempted to get the Dyson hairdryer if anyone's got it, because I've seen they do an attachment for the hairdryer where it basically smooths flyaways, which I feel like I need that because I don't really know if you can see very well. I feel like it doesn't really pick up on camera, but I get such bad, like, I don't even think it's frizziness because my hair's definitely not dry, but it's just like, I don't know, flyaways at the top. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly do some skincare. I think I'm gonna tan tonight as well because I've not like filmed my tan routine on camera in a while, and I've literally just shaved in the shower. I just had, I'm not even joking, like the best shower ever. You know when you just stood under the water for what feels like the longest time? Like, it was just so nice. Like, I scrubbed my body, I shaved, and yeah, I want to do some tan as well, just so that that is done for holiday. I don't know what to use on my face tonight. I've been like going back and forth between different products, and I don't really want to use anything that I think might break me out before a flight and like before the trip. How do people make these look good? I'm actually baffled. Like, this does not look great. I have no idea how people make these look good. Like, my forehead now just looks like the size of this planet. But I'm gonna just leave it in a second because I'm gonna use my new face. I still don't know what this is called. How do I still not know what this is called? Just like this little device. I got it on Cult Beauty, and I think I'm gonna try this today. I don't really know if this is gonna work, and you do have to be kind of careful with this because it kind of like burns you a little bit if you don't use like a proper conductor. I've not really exfoliated my face in a while, but every time I seem to do it, I break out so badly. And obviously I'm trying to not do anything at the minute that's gonna like irritate my skin before I go away. But at the same time, it's like, I feel like my skin needs exfoliating, and that's something I used to do all the time, was exfoliate my skin. I don't know, my skin has never ever been the same since I came off the pill, and it drives me crazy. I've been off it for like 2 years now, and it's still not right. Ooh! Like, I just felt that like burn me. I've not used this roller in a while. This is by Current Body. I don't know why, I just love doing stuff like this. I feel like it's so relaxing. I saw a video once on, what would you call this? Like face sculpting, that said about lymphatic draining? Is that the right word? I was watching this girl do her like routine and stuff, and she said she always starts at the bottom to help with like drainage, because then it kind of like does everything here, and then as you work upwards it like works down the face. Anyway guys, exciting news. Me and Millie have just booked a trip to Rome. Yeah, me and Millie have been speaking about doing this trip for a couple of months at this point, and we're only going for like 3 days. It's just going to be like a little weekend trip, but we are in need of recommendations because I feel like everywhere that we went when we were in Milan was so good. So I feel like we need to find like places in Rome that are equally as good. I'm feeling so lucky this year. Like, I've got so many trips booked. Obviously, me and the girls went to Dubai. I've just booked Rome with Mill, which we're actually going in like 2 weeks when I get back from LA, which is obviously the next trip. And then, yeah, me and my boyfriend are going to the Dominican, which I'm so excited for a beach holiday. Like, I feel like that's going to be so much fun. But yeah, I was thinking about it before, and I was like, I feel so like lucky and so grateful that I'm getting to go on like so many trips this year. Any recommendations for Rome? Let me know, because I feel like we're trying to plan the trip like before we get there. I don't know what it is. Is anyone else like this? I always get nervous about doing too much skincare before a flight. Like, I don't want to do anything that's gonna like irritate my skin. Might just do a little bit of moisturizer. I think I'll use this one because I've used this one before and I quite like it. It's the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal. Put some eye cream on as well. So I think I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, I don't know why I've suddenly decided to switch bathrooms, but here we are. I'm gonna quickly fake tan. I've literally not tanned in what feels like forever, and I feel like nothing feels better than a fresh layer of tan. So I'm quickly gonna run you through what I use for my tan routine. So this fake tan, oh my god, this has been my favorite tan since I first started using it, which is nearly a year ago at this point. I started using it around when me and Rach went to Ibiza. It's the Bali Body Self Tanning Mousse in the shade Ultra Dark. This is so good. Smells really nice, like it doesn't smell too strong in terms of the scent, lasts beautifully, and it's got like a really nice olivey tone to it, I would say. Like it's not too red, it's not too like green. I feel like some tans are quite green. This is like a really nice in between. And then I also use the Bali Body Knit, which is just this little like glove here. And then I think a brand sent this, oh, it was Velvo Tan that actually sent this over. It's like a little back applicator, which actually works pretty well. It's like a little bit flimsy. I kind of wish it locked into place because it's, I don't know, like it just flies around a bit when you're doing your tan, but it does actually work pretty well if you don't have someone to tan your back for you. And then in terms of moisturizer, I have one specific moisturizer that I really love when I tan, and it's the Body Shop Yogurt like body cream. This one's the mango one. I also really like the strawberry one. Do you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like there's not a single scent of this moisturizer that I don't like they all smell really good. I think because this one's just a little bit thinner in terms of the consistency, and it absorbs a lot quicker, so when it comes to tan, like I don't like anything too sticky or like too thick, if you know what I mean. I feel like this is just like a really nice product to use just on like the areas that you want to add a little bit more hydration, so like my knees, my feet, my elbows. I do my armpits. I don't know if that's like a really weird place to put moisturizer when you tan, but more so like on the crevice of like my arm, because my skin gets quite dry there for some reason. And then I also do a little bit on my neck and in between my boobs. Again, a bit of a random place, but I feel like that is one of the first places that tan always like peels off on me. So yeah, I'm gonna do this now. And then this is my tan shirt. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I have one specific shirt that I wear once I've tanned, and it's this like, it's kind of like a silky, like soft cotton shirt from Miss Pap, and it's just like super oversized. I wear this as like a beach cover up on holiday as well, and it's just perfect. Like it just, I don't know, it's just nice and light, like it doesn't strip my tan or whatever. So this is what I wear after. Can we just take a second for how cozy it is in here now? I love it.